What's up, guys? We're back with another video. And got Mikey. We're back with another video. And I'm going to show you how to make a marshmallow mask or helmet, whatever you want to call it. Okay. I don't know where it's sitting, but okay. Jessie, come here. Come here, Jessie. Jessie, sit there. Don't pop her, no. Set it down. Set her down. Set her down. Hey! Sorry about that, guys. Bella, don't.
Bella,
Get
don't.
spanked. Sorry about that, guys.
Sorry about that, guys.
Okay. We're gonna get the.
Also, Daddy, that my milk died.
Not yet.
Daddy, that's my milk.
Okay. Mikey, stop talking. We're trying to make a video. Okay. First, get a white bucket. A white bucket. Get a white bucket first, and then I'm gonna show you how to draw his eyes and mouth on the bucket. But I already draw his eyes and mouth on the bucket, which you can see.
And mouth.
Mouth and eyes.
Yep.
And I'm going to show you how to draw marshmallow eyes and mouth, so you can do it on your guys' white bucket. Okay? Okay. Can you get some paper for me? Okay, guys, I have it. I'm going to show you how to draw his eyes. I'm going to show you how to draw his eyes.
Yeah.
But you're doing it on the bucket, okay? On the white bucket that you had, okay? So just do that.
Hey, this knuckles. Send on knuckles, guys. It got knuckles. Send on
What are you saying, Mikey? Okay, actually, I kind of messed up. Start over. Get another paper. No, not get another paper. Just get that white bucket and just erase, like, with water on the white bucket. Okay. You're gonna have to draw that, but a bigger one. And a second one.
Nice. What are you doing to my dog?
And now,
You be nice to her? Okay.
and then you just color it in. And then you colored it in.
Taste, Jazzy.
Yeah.
Bella?
I already said you better not do that. Like the other
Come here.
My donuts.
Okay, you just copy it
Don't scratch
again.
me.
You just copied it again, okay? Copy it again on with a white
Go
bucket,
away. Go away.
and then
Go away.
you just have to do that,
Go.
just that. But you have to draw the other eye, okay? Just rewind the part that I was doing this part and just do it times, 2 times, okay?
Daddy, what's my donuts?
Mikey Bubbles, after I'm done, okay? So just a smile.
Smile. This is my own day.
And then you're gonna connect those
Mikey,
two
stay out of there.
together.
I'm doing something.
And then color it in. And then color it in all the way. But you're doing it on the bucket, okay? The white bucket. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys comment down below and like this video. And that's how mine turned out. Hope you, and then you just, if you have this part, then just like help your parents to cut that off part. And then if you have like the measuring side, then just get some water and like scratch it off. I think it works, but just leave it on there if you want. Peace.